Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE QR code scanner not working. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and open camera. And after opening camera, go to camera settings. And in camera settings, turn on scan QR code scanner button. Turn on this button and then reset camera settings. Click on reset settings and then again click on reset to confirm. Now go back and then scroll down and open storage. First force stop the camera app. Click on force stop and then click on OK and then open storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory.